forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at this 15 ball break and run. We'll go shot by shot with all the explanations on what happened and what should be done, perhaps where I made a mistake. So it was a pretty decent break. I didn't make a ball on the break. And right away, I see two balls, 5 and 11, tied up almost on the right rail. So I want to start with a ball in hand and clear this problem right away. So I make a 5 ball in the corner pocket, in the bottom of the table. And I'm gonna shoot the 11 and follow a cue ball slightly forward, maybe a couple balls. Followed it to a third diamond. From here, I'm gonna shoot the 15 ball in the side pocket. Nice and smooth stroke. And I'm going for the 4 ball. So that's why I followed the cue ball to the other side of the table, to the left side. I left myself a nice angle. So I'm shooting with a draw, touch of left, a nice smooth stroke, and I got myself on either 1 or 7. That's in the corner. I'm going to shoot the 7 ball. A nice bounce of the rail. Touch of, I would say, 4 o'clock English on the ball. Here I'm making the 1 and bouncing off the rail and going back to the middle of the table. That was a very nice smooth shot. I got a lot of options here. I can clear the 9 ball, so I have a pass for the 2 ball, which is very important. Clear the lanes first. One of my friends happened to be a U.S. 9-ball, U.S. Open 9-ball champion and a former record holder of the straight pull, John Schmidt. He taught me that. Clear the lanes. That's the very important thing. So from here, I'm going to shoot the 13 in the upper corner. Nice and smooth stroke again. And again, I have options. I have 2-ball, I have a 14-ball, and a 3-ball. So I'm shooting a 2-ball, and I'm going to go slightly forward. Yeah, little stun shot to get on the 8-ball. So once I clear the 8-ball, I'll be pretty much free. I know I'm going to bump the 6 here. So I bumped the 6. I got very close to a corner pocket, but I got very straight on a 6. So from here, I got to shoot the 14 in the side. And the side pockets on this 4-inch diamond, 4-inch pocket diamond are brutal. So I got to put the big boy pants on and take this shot. Stay down. Yep. Nice, beautiful stroke. Stop shot. Perfect. So from here, I can shoot the 10 on the side. 12, 3. I'm going to shoot the 10 on the side. Another stop shot. Yep. Very nice. And there's plenty of options here. I can shoot the 3 and pull the cue ball back for the 12. From 12, I can go to the 6. I'm thinking about it. but I decided to shoot the 12. It's pretty much straight on, so I'm just gonna follow it a little bit and give myself an angle on the 6. So when I make the 6, there you go. I just put a touch of right English, maybe 1 o'clock, and follow the cue ball. And I'm gonna get on the 3. It's gonna be a little bit longer shot, but half table shot or so, and I know that. Um, all I have to do is make this ball. This whole exercise is about nice and smooth stroke, follow through, stay down, don't jump up. A little bit wobbly stroke on that one. I didn't like it, but that's probably the only one bad stroke throughout the whole run out. And from here, I got to shoot the 3, stop shot, draw shot, anything. Nice and smooth, stay down, take a shot. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching.
Not bad. Not bad.
All smooth now. Looks like a seal.